What is good, loves? How y'all doing today? Like, how y'all doing today? If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other channels if you haven't yet. Also, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media. The link to all of them will be on the description box down below. Share this video with everybody you know, like everybody you know. And let's get into the details. So NVA Fashion sent me these two sample glitters right here. I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a look with the purple or the pink. You guys mostly voted for the purple, so this is what I came up with right here. I did a purple smoky eye with a glitter liner and a really thin glitter line under my eyebrows. I've seen an eyeshadow thin line done under the eyebrows on Instagram, but so far I haven't seen any glitter lines done. So I decided I'd do that today with this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like this look. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me know what y'all really like, truly, honestly think about this look. I would love to know. Okay, so I already did my foundation and all of that. Now, this is my second time filming this because I accidentally somehow deleted the video when I filmed it for you guys. I filmed it yesterday, okay? So when I was trying to edit it today, this morning, somehow I deleted it. And then when I noticed, I was crying. So, yesterday I filmed it and I started off with my eyes and then I did my foundation and everything. But this time, since I have more things to do today and I was not planning on filming, just editing all the videos I have for you guys, I am going to show you my eyes, what my foundation did already. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start out with priming my eyes. I prime it with the same concealer that I use for my under eyes. I prime it with that same thing, which is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I just, whatever's on the brush, I just dab it on here like so. Very little, by the way. And then with my concealer brush, I'll just spread that everywhere. Now the top right here, my eyelids, as you can see, they're pink, reddish. That's because I did the purple when I did the tutorial for you guys yesterday. It clearly it stained my eyes. So now I'm gonna grab this fluffy brush right here. This one's by Morphe. That little fuzzy thing. And I'm just gonna smooth out this concealer. Just smooth it all out. I'm gonna be using this Morphe brush right here. So you could even tell that I am refilming this because this brush is stained with purple from yesterday. Now I'm going to be using the Cara Beauty palette, and I am going to grab the darkest purple. I don't know why on camera it looks blue, but it's the darkest purple. This one right here. Looks kind of blue, right? It's not. It's just a really dark purple. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. And I'm going to try this new technique. So I've seen a lot of people start off with a dark color and go lighter Usually I go from lighter to darker, but I wanted to try that out in this video. And yesterday when I tried it, it worked out pretty good. So let's go ahead and get started with that color right in the outer crease. Let me get on a good angle for you guys to see right here, huh? Okay. So, and I'm not using this palette right here. I'm just using the mirror. So right on the outer crease, work it in halfway. And put some on the outer corner. All over. Buff it out really well. Like so. Okay. We don't want to overdo that because we're going to put the other purple over that. Let me go ahead and do the other eye. Is it just me, or does one eye always turn out better than the other? Does that happen to y'all too? Let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to go ahead with the purple right underneath that purple, which is a medium purple. This one right here. And I'm going to grab it on the same brush. And I'm going to work right over that purple we just put on. So right above that and blend it out. I'm going to go in towards the inner corner of the eye a little bit more than the last purple. I need to really blend this out. Alright, that looks... I'm going to leave that alone for now. Go ahead and do the other eye. I'm going to wipe off what's left on that brush, just on a towel. And go ahead and blend all of this out with nothing on my... I'm going to go ahead and grab this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's kind of angled and fluffy. I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this out. There's nothing on my brush. I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this out just to make sure it's really well blended. Don't want any harsh lines. Same to this side. Wipe off anything that I might have gotten on my brush. Now this side looks quite bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch. Now I'm gonna go ahead, now that this is well blended, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the lightest purple in this palette, which is the one right underneath that medium purple, this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid, my eyelid. So all over right here. Just pat that on. Same to the other eye. So now that that's done, we've created a smoky purple eye. Okay. Now, with that being done, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Just do your regular eyeliner. I'm just going to do mine a tiny bit thicker than usual. Alright, so I finished one eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the next. Oh my god. I was not having this issue yesterday. There we go. That looks... Before we move on, I'm going to go ahead and go into my Mermaid Like palette by Saucebox. And I'm going to go ahead and grab Warm Sand. This one right here. And I'm going to apply that to my tear duct and my brow bone. So let me go ahead and do my brow bone first. Just a little bit so I won't leave it too plain. Oops, I got some on the purple. Blend that out. Alright, now I'm applying some on my tear duct. You guys can wet the brush so it can be a little bit more popping. Alright, so I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer. This one right here. And I'm just going to apply a little bit on the back of my hand. You all can see. Just about that much. And I'm going to grab this flat angled brush right here. This is by Skinny London. And I'm going to have your glitter ready, okay? So have it open. So I'm going to go ahead and open mine. I'm going to be using this brush to apply the glitter. This one right here. I am going to grab some of that glitter glue. I'm going to just say glue because then I'm going to get confused. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that. And I'm going to put it all over the eyeliner. So exactly where you put the eyeliner, you're going to put this on top of that. And I'm going to work in portions. Oops. Okay. I'm going to grab some glitter. Okay. Apply some more glue. Go ahead and wipe all that off. Dust all that off before it gets attached to my face. Alright, so there goes the glitter liner. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'm going to come back with our next glitter part. Thin line. I've seen this a lot on in some pictures, some makeup pictures, where people do a thin line of glitter, or not glitter, usually it's eyeshadow colors, right under their brow. So I'm going to do that, but with glitter. So let's go ahead and do that. Same technique, same brushes. And I'm going to grab, again, the darkest purple. So I'm going to start off with the darkest purple. And I'm going to apply that, a very thin coat of that, on my bottom lash line. It's exactly what I did yesterday. All of this is the exact same thing I did yesterday. Then I'm going to go in with the medium purple that we used and do that right under the dark purple. Thin line of that also. With this rounded brush right here, I'm just going to blend those two colors together. Okay. This looks good enough to me. But if you have purple eyeliner or white, even I would do white or purple eyeliner on the bottom lash line. But I like it the way it looks without any without any eyeliner. I like the way it looks without any eyeliner. So this is the look right here.